Ready, go!
What the fuck are you doing?
Exactly. Your mom thinks time's not time to need another toxic chemical cleaner. She needs a smarter hack. Just watch how this high heat steam blasts straight into grout lines, tight corners, and all that nasty bathroom and kitchen buildup where dirt loves to hide. You can literally see the grime melting away. And the best part? No overwhelming chemical fumes in her face. And absolutely times 0 times scrubbing on her hands and knees. Plus, because it's pure steam, it naturally sanitizes and kills bacteria, making it way safer for the whole family. It cuts cleaning time in half and saves her hands. If one tool can do all the heavy lifting for her deep cleaning, it's a total no-brainer. Seriously, give her the ultimate cleaning cheat code. Grab it right here in the yellow basket and make chore day an absolute breeze.
So if it's still in stock, I'll try to put the link below for you.